Waiting for Pat to get done taking his dump. Big old dump. I guess I'm just going to trade my dog in the meantime. Come here, Zella. Come here, Zella. Come here. Come on over here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hey. Come here. I'll call you like a little kitty. Come here. Come here. Hey. Come sit with me. Come here. Come on. Come here. Good girl. Come here. This is supposed to help and it's not doing nothing.
You're freaking her out.
I'm not freaking her out, she's freaking herself out.
You got problems.
I need to breathe. Oh, Zella! Come here! I want her to be in the video with me. I need her to be in the video with me. Cha cha cha, where's my dog? Cha cha cha, why isn't this working? I know why, but I'm just asking a rhetorical question. Cha cha cha.